Hey there, hi, welcome to the channel. I am Garrett, and in this video, we are talking about some interesting, unique, creative, and free ways to decorate your home. We have got a lot to get through, so let's get into the video. Now, the first way you can decorate your home for free is actually to take what you have and try a new layout. I love to switch up what's happening in my home and get creative about the layout of a space, the furniture arrangement, because while I may not love what I come up with a second time because I always get it right the first time, I will have a greater appreciation for how the space looks. That actually just happened to me in the studio. We had to shift the sofa position and some of the tables around to get some good lighting for a video, and I immediately hated the layout, and I was like, nope, we're not doing this. So as soon as we finished filming, I shifted everything back to where it was, and it feels like I just completely renovated this space. It feels new, it feels fresh. I am absolutely in love with it. Even though it doesn't look any different than it did before, nothing has changed, nothing is different. Shifting your furniture layout will give you a greater appreciation for what you had if you don't like how you shift it. Consider playing around with the arrangement just a little bit to get creative, get some ideas. Hey, you may improve the space and you may love it, or you might hate it and have a great appreciation for what you already had. The next easy way to decorate your home for free is actually to go outside and forage for some branches, some flowers, a little floral moment in your home. I don't care where you live, if you're in a big city or if you just have a lot of gardens or whatever, you've got all of this space, the acreage, darling. There are plants outside. That's a great part of nature. You can always find something to bring indoors, but two things to keep in mind are, one, do not steal from your neighbors. Not cool, especially if I'm your neighbor. Do not come to my yard because I will call the police. And the second thing is to make sure you know what type of plant you are going after. And if you do not know, maybe consider not cutting from that plant because it could be poisonous or dangerous to you, your family, your pets, your animals. So be careful and be mindful of what you are doing. Maybe don't go overkill with the branches. Mix up some different types of floral arrangements. Look for 2 or 3 different pieces, but I do love a floral arrangement indoors, and getting some plants from nature outdoors is free, it's affordable, it's easy, and it's actually more sustainable, and you don't have to spend money constantly getting new flowers because you can just go outside and pick them, and I love that for you. Now, the next free way you can update and decorate your home is actually to take up your rugs. I love that little tip, this little hack, because it's great to do seasonally. During the spring and the summer, you can take up your rug and embrace the coolness of your floors underneath your feet. That's relaxing, it's beautiful. But then in the winter and fall, roll them back out and embrace the warmth of the space, and mix that in with changing up your furniture layout. Maybe you switch your rugs from room to room to get a different feel, a different vibe. Or what you can also do is send your rugs out for cleaning during certain seasons of the year. And that way they get back, they're fresh, they're clean, they're beautiful and gorgeous. You lay them back down. Removing your rug can actually really brighten the space up if it's not something that's necessary for you. It is a great way to mix it up, get a different feeling in the space, and just live with it, embrace it, see what it feels like to have a lighter rug there, no rug there at all, something different. Take up your rug because it's free, it's something different, and it will give you an entirely new perspective on the space. Plus, it's also really great if it's spring and summer and you're bringing in lots of prints and lots of floral arrangements to take up your rug and tone the space down just a little bit. Fabulous, easy, simple, great, I love it, and it's free. The next thing you can do to decorate your home for free is to get crafty with a DIY. We all have extra stuff around our house. Like I have cans of paint that I didn't use all of when I made over a space or when I painted this or that or whatever. I can get crafty with that and redo, make over a piece of decor. I can paint an interesting accent wall. I could do a lot of things. So look around your house and think about what can you take and revamp, revitalize, rejuvenate with the materials you already have. Because there is no point in having gallons and gallons of paint sitting around your house and extra parts from crafts and DIY-able things when you could actually have some fun, get creative, do something with them, or just maybe take some of that extra paint and refresh some of the wall space in your home. I actually did a video all about how to affordably update your home, where I talk about a lot of ideas that you can use to renovate the space, update and upgrade things for not a lot of money, and that's one of my favorite tips. So I will leave that video linked in the description box down below for you. But you can also take a lot of those materials and redo, make over, do a DIY on some home decor. I am not a DIY person, okay? That's not my area of expertise. On this channel, we talk about interior design because as an interior decorator, that is what I do. So if you are not already, take a moment and hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I upload, because on this channel, we talk about real design for real people. You as a subscriber are not a commodity. You are not a number to me. We are heavy in the comments section. So after you have subscribed, share that with me down below so that I can personally welcome you to the channel. The next free way you can decorate your home is to actually declutter. Get some of the stuff out of the space. It will make the space feel larger, fresher, more open, and test some things out. Take that piece of artwork off the wall and put it somewhere else. Don't necessarily hang it, but just live with the space empty for a little while to see, did I really need that there? Do I need the empty space? Is it speaking louder? Can I focus on the rest of the room without that there? It's something worth thinking about. Do that with your accessories and your home decor, your accent pillows. Take them out of the space, live with it for a little while, and then layer some things back in. Because you might realize like, whoa, it was way too much. Or you may think like, gosh, there's nothing here after I took out 3 pieces of home decor. I need some more. You might decide you need to bring some of that back into the space, and that's phenomenal. Decluttering is also a great way to free up some space. Maybe you can get rid of some things, donate them to someone who needs them, or a thrift store, a charity shop of some sort, to clear out your home a little bit, because I also love to have a really great organizational system, and having a ton of just unnecessary things definitely is the opposite of that. So think about that, go through the cabinets, look at the old things you have, and get rid of some of them, because a fresh space that is not crowded definitely feels luxurious and beautiful, and it costs really nothing to get rid of some things. But maybe save some of those heirlooms, some of those more valuable pieces, or things that have a lot of sentimental value to you. But if you have a lot of just random bits and pieces around the house, they're the prime ones to leave, to get rid of, to go. We don't want to see them. Everything we have needs to be important, needs to be special to us, and it needs to say something about you. Now, the next free way you can decorate your home is to get involved with some of your friends, look to do a decor swap, check out some free listings on online marketplaces. There are so many people that want to get rid of things, and you can definitely go to them. You can find some things, you can do some trade, you could set a little challenge with you and your friend group and each give each other like 2 pieces of decor and challenge each other to incorporate someone else's style into yours. I love that. Oh, that is fabulous. I think there are so many unique things you can bring into your home and ways to find them that are free. And like I said, with online marketplaces, there's always someone looking to get rid of stuff. I cannot tell you the amount of listings I see that's like, we're moving, come and get everything, it's free. Most of it's garbage, but there's always 1 or 2 really good pieces that you could get for your home that would cost absolutely nothing, and I love that. So don't overlook the fact that people are looking to get rid of things, and if you are interested in them, that's a great avenue to get something new, get rid of something that you don't want anymore, declutter the space and fill it up at the same time. Love that. There are so many people out there looking to get rid of things that you can take advantage of that and get yourself something new and help someone else out for free, and I love that. Now, the next free way to decorate your home, get a cute piece of home decor, is to get your kids involved in that. Get the kids, get the grandkids. We're gonna do a little project, a little DIY. Summertime is coming up. I mean, it's like already 100 degrees here. Can't even talk about that right now, but summertime is coming and the kids are about to get out of school. We can get them busy, get them crafting, get them making some home decor, put the kids to work and get some real value out of their time, because you can make your home beautiful by getting them involved. And it actually means a lot to kids when you get them involved and you have them create something that you hang on the wall. It's also always a really good idea to have kids make the decor, the decorations for their own room. And if you're giving your kids some of the colors you want to see in your space, they may have a lot of fun splattering paint and blending it together, and it creates something that's really neutral, really interesting, but your kids are gonna know they made it, and that means a lot to them. Or they can cut shapes out of paper and create little mobiles or little decorative things to go on a wall. Maybe you can even create a way to display some of the artworks and drawings they have made. That's a great way to get the kids involved, have them make some artwork for free, get the craft paper, get the scissors and a marker or two, and get them going. Speaking of getting kids involved, let's bring in one of my children, my little itty bitty baby boy, Cornelius. Cornelius. Oh, there you are. What? What? Yes. Oh, yes, that's a very cute boy, Cornelius. Did you want to say hi to everyone? Did you want to say hello? Oh, yes. Hello. Oh, so cute. Such a cute pup. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, are you going to go play? Oh, now the next free way you can decorate your home is look at selling some of your old things to replace them with new things. That's a great way to bring something new into your home without it costing you anything. And a lot of times if you got something from a thrift store, you inherited something that you no longer want or is not sentimental to you, those things can actually have some real value to them. You know, if I go to a thrift store, I can buy a little piece of silver for $2 or $3. But if I go on to a resale site like Etsy or eBay, that piece might be $20, $30, $50. You can make a little bit of money there and put it into something else. You can also look around you and say, gosh, I spent a lot of money on all these little things. Let me sell them, cash in, and put that towards something bigger. That's a great way to update, decorate your home without it costing you any money because you're already spending money that you've spent before. So I guess it really did cost you money, but you're not putting out any more up front. I love that. Look around your house, see what you have, and definitely do some research and see, is it valuable? Is it something special? Is it something unique? Or is it just a dime a dozen and it's maybe something we can donate? Get creative, look around, do some research because it's always those little things that have a lot of value that you don't even realize, and you could definitely trade them up into something that is actually bigger, that will have a big impact and won't cost you anything, and I love that for us. Now the next free way to decorate your home is to pull out some of the family heirlooms. And I'm not talking about those really important, valuable pieces. I'm talking about the little bits and pieces you don't realize are actually such good home decor, like leather suitcases. People love them. Stack a few of them and make an end table out of them. Or bring out some of those old books or antique pieces that you can stack and layer together on a side table, a buffet, a credenza, coffee table, whatever, and display them. It's something interesting, it's something unique, and it means something. It has a little story to it. If I see like a really, really old book there, I'm gonna be like, why is this book so old? What's it from? Like, I'm asking myself questions about it, and then I'm gonna ask you, and we're starting a conversation. It's always amazing to have a little piece of history there that tells you about your family or reminds you of a really special time. Something else is maybe get a family photo album with a bunch of the pictures of the kids, of the family, of your wedding, all of it together, because it's something unique, it's something great, and you can sit there, reminisce on that time period. Pull out some of the books, some of the things that are interesting to you at the moment, and have them on display because it's gonna surround you with beautiful things that you love and memories, and it costs nothing to pull something out of a drawer, take it off a bookcase, and put it on display. Love that it's free, and love that it's personality, love that it's sentimental to you. It says so much about a space when it really reflects who lives there and who you are. The next way you can decorate, upgrade, and renovate your home for free is to rotate some things through. Rotate your decor seasonally, rotate some pillows, and even some chairs. Like I have 2 sets of dining chairs that I kind of scatter throughout my house. That way if I have a big dinner party, I can bring them all together and I have like 14 chairs for everybody. Or I can scatter them around and I can have a little gold chair here, a blue chair there. I can have them in my office or my bedroom as I need them. Rotating them through keeps things fresh. It creates a little bit of usability in a space I need, but it also allows me to be constantly updating my home. You can do the same thing with decor. I definitely recommend doing that because I do it in my home. I also love to bring things in seasonally. Like in spring and summer, I want more floral arrangements, so I pull out some of the vases and I get going, I get creative, I get foraging outside for some branches. But then in the winter, I might put some of that away, pull out a candle or two, and get a little fluffy pillow that I can cuddle up with on the sofa. That's a great way to rotate things through, keep them updated throughout the year, and the space always feels fresh, interesting, different, without you having to just get rid of all of your furniture and buy something new all of the time. It's free, it's easy, and it keeps a collection rotating through. You know, I'm a collector, I collect a lot of things, so I rotate them through in my space so that I'm constantly displaying something different when I get a new piece, or if I'm just feeling like I need to see one of my beautiful pieces that's tucked away in a cabinet, I can pull it out and refresh, revitalize the space, and it costs me nothing. And I love that for me, I love that for you, I love that for all of us. Well, there you have it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to let me know in the comment section down below and share with me what is one free upgrade, renovation, idea, or piece of home decor, a tip you can give us that costs nothing, but really elevates and changes, decorates the space, because I want to hear from you. And I know that you know someone that they need to update their home. They might be on a budget, they might not be on a budget, and sometimes money cannot buy you a beautiful space. Be sure you share this video with them, because friends help friends, and I will see you in the next one.